Hey everybody, it's Brian Bain here with the Ramsey Group at Keller Williams Realty. I am here in the Lexington subdivision, just off of Mallard Creek Road and 485 at 10128 Tavernay Parkway. This is a beautiful John Wieland home. It's pretty much a semi-custom home, built in 1999, but updates make it feel like it's brand new. You're gonna see that in just a second. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with a 3rd floor rec room. It's almost 4,000 square feet. Come on inside and take a look at it. I think you're gonna love what you see. So as we enter in, look, just the first thing that you see in this home is just a straight shot all the way to the backyard. It's just a beautiful entry. These hardwood floors are perfect, and they've been kept in great shape. To the right, we have a formal dining room, and you can tell it's just a really nice place for dinners, really nicely painted. This house has 2 staircases. So the main entryway has a staircase here, and then there's one off the back of the kitchen. They use the formal living room as a music room. You can do whatever you want with this room, but this is pretty cool here as we have a musical family. And then we come into the living room. We have a half bath on the left, and this closet here has got full of Wi-Fi set up. This whole home has a lot of great features. Specifically, you can control the irrigation through Wi-Fi. It's got a Nest thermometer set up throughout the whole thing. Oh, and by the way, new HVAC systems, 1st and 2nd floor in 2018. Awesome built-ins. And what's cool about this living room is it's got a little nook off of the living room, which is like a private closet. You can use it for a little study. I love that. And then we come out, you got windows. Oh, all the windows on the back side of the home have been replaced as of last year. So they were new last year. And then this is my favorite part. Check this out. Sunroom, or screened-in porch, I'm sorry, to this awesome open kitchen, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops. It's a really, really fine home, but this right here is just immaculate. You come into the screened-in porch, exposed beams, wood ceiling, out to your private sanctuary. So check out this backyard. It's fully fenced all the way to the back. Playground, that is included. Very nice grassed area, and just super private. I mean, really, you can barely see any neighbors. Plus it has a deck off the back. So this is something that everybody wants, and not everybody wants to pay for. So it's just an extra wonderful feature in this house. All right, so the back staircase, I'm gonna go up the front staircase, but the back staircase is right there off the garage. Oh, and it's a 3-car garage, which the 3rd bay has built-in cabinetry and a workshop space. All right, so let's go upstairs. I think you're gonna find the upstairs to be as nice as the downstairs. First thing I notice when I come up is the hardwood floors on the landing. So notice you can come all the way. It's hardwoods all the way down the hall, which is great. All right, so master bedroom. As John Wieland always does, they do a great job with the trim and the ceilings of this house. And so this is just a really sweet master bedroom suite, because check this out. Brand new, fully renovated just a month ago, master bath. So we have his and her closets. And then right into a brand new shower. All new flooring, all new fixtures, all new everything. His and her vanities, recessed lights. Check out the natural light that comes in here. I mean, this bathroom is just a sanctuary here. This is a really neat, just awesome space. If you can imagine what it would have looked like in 1999 versus what it looks like today. All right. So we're gonna come back down the hall here. And then on the same floor, there are 3 additional bedrooms. First bedroom here on the left is the one with the private bath. So this bedroom has its own bathroom, walk-in closet, as you can see. And there's the private bath, full shower in there. It's not peeking in. Bedrooms 3 and 4 share a Jack and Jill bathroom. So this is one of my favorite layouts because you have two sharing a bathroom and then one with a private. Perfect layout. And here's the bath. And this bathroom also has a door that comes from the hallway. So guests can use it if necessary. Full bath. Into bedroom number 4. This bedroom's really large. Check this out. I mean, just to show you how much space it has, they have all the desk there. Pretty tall ceilings, so you've got a lot of, it just feels even more open. So bedroom 4, and you come back out to the hallway to a loft. Excellent loft, down to the second set of staircases that takes you back to the kitchen. Laundry room. New tile floor. And then we're going to go up to the 3rd floor rec room. And this is basically whatever you want it to be. This family has some amazing talent. And so you've got a ballet bar. Look at where all the storage is. Huge closet for storage. The 3rd floor has its own heat pump, so it's not even controlled by the other 2 floors' air conditioning systems. And they had an office space up here as well. This floor is laminate flooring. And so, as we finish up on the 3rd floor, the house is just, you know, full front brick, John Wieland, semi-custom. The upgrades that you don't want to pay for, like the screened-in porch, the new HVAC systems, the irrigation controlled by Wi-Fi, the new windows in the back of the house. I mean, this house really is so move-in ready. I can't express how it's going to be a homeowner delight. So come on down and check it out. 10128 Tavernay Parkway, and hope to see you here soon. It is available for showing starting tonight. Bye now.